In this video, I'll guide you through how to publish a post on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a live newsletter that's been sent to your subscribers. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in so you can access your publication. If you don't see your dashboard right away, look for a way to switch to your publication or sign in so you land on the main creator view where you can manage your posts. Once you're on Substack and ready to create something new, look for the button or link that says Create. This is usually near the top of the page. Click that and Substack will offer you different content types you can publish. Today, I'll show you how to publish a standard written piece. So when those options appear, click on Article. That will open up the editor where you'll spend most of your time writing and formatting your post. At the top of the editor, you'll see a spot for your title and just below it an area where you can add a subtitle. Go ahead and add your subtitle. This is optional, but it's a great place to give a quick explanation or a hook that tells readers what your piece is about. Think of it as a short line that adds context or encourages people to keep reading. Now you're ready to start writing your post. Click into the main body area and begin typing. You can break your content into short paragraphs, add headings, and use formatting tools like bold or italics to highlight key points. Take your time here. You can also paste in text you've written elsewhere and then adjust the formatting inside Substack. If you want, this is the stage where you can add images, links, or other media to make your article more engaging, as long as you're staying within the editor's options. Once you're done writing and you've given everything a quick proofread, look for the button that says Continue. Click that to move on to the publishing settings. This won't send your post yet, it just takes you to the final configuration screen. On this screen, you can choose your audience and decide who's allowed to comment. Look for the options labeled Audience and Allow Comments From. Here you can choose whether the post is for everyone, only for subscribers, or only for paid subscribers, depending on how your publication is set up. For comments, decide if you want to open them to all readers, just subscribers, or turn them off entirely if you prefer a quieter post. Next, you can add tags to your article. Tags help organize your content and make it easier for readers to find related posts. Choose tags that reflect the main topics or themes in your piece. This is especially helpful as your archive grows. You'll also see options for delivery and scheduling. If you want your post to go out immediately, leave it set to send now. If you'd rather plan ahead, enable scheduling and pick a date and time. This is useful if you want your newsletter to arrive at a specific time in your readers' inboxes. When you've checked all your settings and you're ready to go live, click Send to Everyone. Substack will publish your post and deliver it to the audience you selected, and your new article will be live on your publication.